If you know food, you must know Foodies Catering and Takeout Shop in Harvey Cedars. Soups to salsas, vinaigrettes to vegetarian fare. Everything is homemade. Baked goods with the best chocolate and European butter. Over 30 kinds of homemade brownies. Pizzas with real sautéed toppings. Peggy Foodie has been catering to the most discriminating palates for over 25 years. Catered affairs are Peggy's specialty. Beautifully presented, personally supervised. Visit Foodies 2 in Surf City for organic produce, fresh flowers, and the best of Foodies takeout. In Loveladies, visit the LBI Cafe at the Arts Foundation.